What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I'm back with another banger, man. Today's video, I'm about to be making a song with my iPhone microphone on the app called Bandlab. Now, for y'all who don't know what Bandlab is, it's basically just like a new music making software that's been out for about a few years now. It's been helping out a lot of artists, you know, be able to make songs from the comforts of their own home, man. So it's a really dope app. You know, I've been doing a lot of videos on it, but in today's video, man, we about to be just making a song just off the iPhone microphone, man. If y'all want to see more dope videos like this, and if y'all have any video suggestions, man, y'all can go tap in on my Instagram right here at CURTYYBO. Yeah, man, tap in. I got affordable presets for sale. I also do mixing deals, so man, tap in, come get right, man, for an affordable price. But without further ado, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, man. Make sure y'all leave a comment down below, and let's get into this video, man. All right, y'all, so now that I got the beat on there, y'all can see I'm using the headphone microphone, and it's not bad, but I ain't gonna lie, sometimes the iPhone microphone be hitting better. Let me know what y'all think. I'm finna switch it over right now. Hey. So as y'all can see, man, it sound like a little more better, man. It sound a little more clear. But it is like getting a lot of background noise in, but we got the effects to take care of that, man. But as y'all can see, I got me a little tight beat on here. You feel me? A little free for profit, man. But hell yeah, I'm finna just drop some bars and I'm finna just show y'all how I do it. Now, y'all probably like, how does he like record with an iPhone microphone? Now, what I do suggest is you like hold the mic like this, because it'll just give you a better it'll just give you, you know, like this is like a good angle to record at, so you're not getting all up in the mic. Now, there's an upside and downside, man. If you like getting too much like air into the mic, it's just gonna mess up the whole mix. So I will hold it from a distance, man, and just go from that. Yeah, let's get into some bars, man. I'm about to be showing y'all some mixing tips, and you know, I'm gonna put you on a nice little preset. If you're still watching this video, man, make sure you smash that like button, man. It means a lot, and it's gonna help your boy go a long way, man. But hey, let's get into it. You feel me? We gonna throw a little audio on, a little voice audio on track. And hey, I'm finna just throw a little preset on so I can, like, you know, warm me up. I'm gonna throw a preset on so it can sound better when I'm like recording, because when I record, I throw the monitor on so I can hear myself. So, you know, just kind of like a little motivation, confidence thing to kind of like help me just, you know, lay it down better. Everybody different though, so do what works for you, you feel me? But yeah, let's lay this track down. Hey, look, sorry mama, I done fell in love with the fast money, and I wish a nigga would try to play me like a crash. Hold on, sorry mama, hold on. Sorry mama, I done fell in love with the fast money, and I wish a nigga would try to play me like a crash dummy. All right, once I punch that track in, I just duplicate the track so it can have the same preset on there, so it don't sound like two different presets. And then I delete all that, and then we just, you know, keep going, man. But as y'all can see, the camera's kind of weird, the angle, but I'm holding it with my right hand. I should be out. So I kind of just do it like this. My bad, I had to switch. You feel me? Play me like a crash dummy, and I can probably buy island with all this cash on me. Show love to, cause they can buy island with all this cash on me. You show love to, cause they can just turn their back on you. Show love to, cause they can just turn their back on you. I had to map this shit out and apply dedication. Map this shit out and apply dedication. In the stew, getting clocked, now I'm medicated. And you can rush your bitch out of bag, but you can't rush greatness. Grace finalized, bitch, I'm up now, nigga, fuck waiting. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I just dropped a couple bars down. It's just that simple, that easy, man. I do like using the iPhone microphone because it's like a more faster process. Y'all know how like in the studio it's gonna take a minute, but like with this, man, it's just kind of like, as long as you can throw a good preset on, it's gonna, you know, it's gonna do its thing, man. But here's a little tip to, you know, get the preset to sound more dope. So basically what I do is I kind of just turn off the digicomp, turn off the EQ, and then I pretty much turn off almost everything, man. And then I just start off with my graphic EQ, and then I put my vocals on repeat like that. And I can probably buy island with all this. Now, once my vocals on repeat, take notes, man, because it hit different when you know how to use Bandlab, man. I mute the beat, boom. But I mute everything, and then get down to the vocals I want to mix. Most of the times I turn down the 100 hertz. So my bad, it's not on there right. Clip one vocal, man, and keep repeating it. So careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. And then I usually do 2 to 3 knobs at a time. And then just kick back and watch, man. It's so simple. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Now, once I do that, oops, did not mean to turn the level down. Once you do that, man, you don't want to go to your second graphic EQ. Boom. Hey. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back. And what we're doing with the second graphic EQ, we're kind of just turning everything up a little bit, amping everything, as you would say. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because now what that does, it just makes it more clear, man, as y'all can hear. Play the video back 30 seconds, and you're going to hear how foggy it sounded. Now y'all can hear how clear it sounds, man. But we're not done yet. Hold on. Smash that like button. I just put you on some sauce, man. But after that, you're just going to put your EQ3 on, man. And then, hey, you can just mess around with that. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love. Now, once I add that, man, I throw on my digicomp. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show. And then, man, if your background is too noisy, just slap on that noise gate, man. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn their back on you. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn. Careful who you show love to, because they can just turn. Now, I must let y'all hear how it sounds now versus how it was just sounding after. Before I put the magic touch on it, man. Turn they back on you. I had to map this shit out and apply dedication. In the stew, getting clocked, non-medicated, and you can rush your bitch out of bag, but you can't rush greatness. Finalized, bitch, I'm up now, nigga, fuck waiting. So as y'all can see, man, the one I just mixed sound more clear. If y'all want that preset, man, I'll plug you. Just DM me on Instagram, man, and I'm gonna hook you up. That's really all you gotta do, man. If you just take the time out to learn it by yourself, you wouldn't even, you feel me? You can make your own preset. But hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, man. That's gonna be the end of the video. If y'all wanna see more dope videos like this, man, let me know down below in the comments, man. We about to be going hard all 2023, man, and so on and so forth. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.